Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 8 sci-fi horror movies. It's tricky to explore heady concepts and terrify audiences at the same time, but plenty of movies have managed it, and when a movie really nails that balance, it can be wildly entertaining. Sly Third. Before Guardians of the Galaxy made him one of the most famous directors working today, James Gunn wrote and directed Sly Third, an underrated monster movie about an alien parasite invading a small town. There was some controversy over Gunn's liberal use of homages to Fred Decker's classic B-movie spoof Night of the Creeps, but Sly Third acts brilliantly as a spiritual successor to Decker's film. The Fly. Body horror pioneer David Cronenberg created one of the subgenre's finest works with The Fly, the story of a scientist whose teleportation experiment transformed him into a human-fly hybrid. Jeff Goldblum is compelling in the lead role, while Chris Wallace and Stephen Dupier's makeup effects are delightfully disgusting. The Mist. In Frank Darabont's film adaptation of Stephen King's novel The Mist, a thick mist descends upon a small town and turns out to be populated by bloodthirsty Lovecraftian beasts. Thomas Jane plays an everyman holed up in a supermarket with his son, plotting to get out in the open and return home to see if his wife is okay. It's an incredibly dark movie with some harrowing twists and turns along the way. Under the Skin. Scarlett Johansson is compelling in this art house sci-fi thriller about an alien who masquerades as a beautiful woman to lure man into her trap. Set in a bleak Scottish town, the movie has an Anthropocene atmosphere. It's shot with an almost documentary-like cover style. There is no Hollywood magic other than the sequence where the men sink into the black pool in her house and get crushed into oblivion. The Cloverfield. Childhood pals Matt Reeves and J.J. Abrams put their head together to cook up this found footage gem about a giant monster attacking New York. The characters are initially filming the night's events because they are throwing a going away party for their friend who's jetting off on a business trip to Japan. And they keep filming as they run through the streets of the city, desperately trying to survive the onslaught of Clover. Annihilation. Thoughtful as a sci-fi movie and terrifying as a horror movie, Alex Garland's Annihilation was one of 2018's most underrated gems. In his chilling portrayal of alien life, Garland did something that very depictions of extraterrestrials managed to do. He created something genuinely unknown. The aliens in Annihilation as well as their home, the Shimmer, can't be comprehended by mere humans.
We've sent in drones and team.
The Terminator. James Cameron's The Terminator is more of a thriller than a horror movie, as a cyborg from the future relentlessly pursues the world to be mother of the guy who leads a band of resistance fighters against the cybernetic invaders, but it's certainly scary, as both a cautionary tale about the dangers of developing sentient artificial intelligence and a thrill ride that moves through its dense plot at a breakneck pace.
One purpose.
The Thing. This remake of The Thing from Another World was the third of 5 collaborations between director John Carpenter and 80s action hero extraordinaire Kurt Russell. It's a claustrophobic tale about scientists at a chilly out spot who are met with an alien that imitates anything. Before too long, they have no idea who they can trust.